All right, saw a lot of people out at the pool today. I'm sure the beaches are full as well. Another hot day here in the Crossroads, 3 to 4 days into the official start of our summer season. Hot and humid, more triple digits, dry weather ahead, but less moisture actually can mean temperatures come down. Not necessarily ambient heat, but heat calculated heat indices and heat index values. Today, though, 96 degrees. We've been as high as 102 back in '09, but again, nothing in the way of any rain. So on the dry and hot side, once again today here in the Crossroads, beautiful shot in Cuero. Nothing but blue skies, a little bit of light cloud cover. Other than that, that's right, blue skies and lots of sunshine. Okay, little breezy, a little bit of tugging here on some of the surrounding systems. Yeah, but we'll take these breezes. 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts when it's as hot as it is. I know I say it all the time, but these days have been stacking up one after another. I'll take the wind, no matter if it's a warm breeze or not, mixing the air up just enough because, hey, it is very much on the hot side, especially if you're standing out there working on construction or whatever you're doing things outside, then, hey, any relief is very much helpful. But heat advisory again until 8 o'clock tonight. For the most part, temperatures staying under 115. Few spots in Kingsville, some areas down in Beeville, getting up to 115 for, brief seconds here and there. It might be 115 for about 20 seconds, goes back down, just inconsistent, but still very much on the hot side here in the Crossroads. Heat index values again between 105 and 115. Here's our dew points. These have come down a little bit dry air moving in from the southwest because we were pretty much 80, 81, 82 throughout a good portion of the viewing area, at least halfway from the coast. Now some of these numbers coming down a little bit, thus allowing for a little relief from those heat index calculated temperatures. Here's our heat indices once again. So 113 up there in Karnes City, Gonzales at 110. On the water still, Port O'Connor at 102. In the middle of the area, yeah, 104. Just a few days ago, we were pushing 108, then 112. A couple days at 117, 118. So yes, these have come down a little bit. Does it feel a little better? I mean, I guess a little bit of relief, which is so much on the hot side. There's not a lot of latitude to give. 118 down to 109. I guess it is numerically a little bit of some relief. But here we go. Yeah, 113, 114. By Tuesday, just 112. 107 Wednesday. Thursday, 109. So starting to slowly come down for a good portion of the week. We still have high pressure pretty much blocking and diverting most storms away. Some of these storms want to move in, but more than likely, unless they really overcome these storm caps, we're going to stay on the dry side for a good portion of the week. And again, with this drier air for the most part pushing in, that'll take our temperatures down. All right, here's our marine forecast. Here's what we're looking at. 86 for that water. Seas occasionally at 5 feet. That'll keep our bays on the choppy side. And hey, what's going on out there in the tropics? Well, Cindy's probably going to strengthen into a hurricane maybe the next 36 hours. Right now it's 60 miles per hour. But hey, unless you're in Bermuda right now, moving out into the middle of the Atlantic, while Brett really starting to dissipate and starting to weaken, breaking up down there off the coast of South America. All right, what do we have now? Let's take a quick look at, let's see here. There we go. 80s this evening overnight, only dropping down to 79. So if you're out there today, 80 degrees, with those dew point numbers still pretty much on the high side, even though they're coming down out of the 80s. Tomorrow, potentially around 100. Heat index value just around 114 degrees. And looking ahead to the rest of the week, as I said, low-level moisture, not going to be as bad. Some dry air pushing in. Some of those heat index temperatures coming down later in the week, 109, 111.